Oh, Gary!
Okay, whenever you're ready, both hands at the same time. Let go. There you go.
Now it gets really relaxing.
That's Diane.
Yeah.
Maddie's next.
No. Di, you can go
So
again.
much fun.
Really?
You
You
have
don't
to
want to
do
do
it.
Maddie, you gotta do it.
It's really fun. It's only scary for like a half
whole
second.
day.
There she goes.
Whenever you're ready, Diane.
That's how it's supposed to look, Maddie.
That first one was a little scary. This one was perfect.
Holy crap!
You're doing a really good job making it sound like fun.
She's doing that on purpose. That's awesome.
Instead of Carrie from...
You have to do it.
Can I only go up like halfway? There she goes.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Oh my God, Dad, I'm gonna kill you.
Let go.
Lower it.
Don't do that.
Back up,
You gotta let go.
please.
You
Let
have
go.
to let go. Don't hook that rope, Maddie. Don't do that, Maddie.
Whoa.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Ryan, you better hope I never come down.
See, you're trying to hook that rope with a...
You did great.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I know. You didn't follow the directions.
Yeah, you did. You did fine. You're right.
Do it again.
We're good.
Whenever you're ready.
Woo!
That's the prettiest swing I've ever done seen, but...
Nice work, Maddie.
I want a drink.
We have wine in the room.
10:30.
Okay. We earned it.